And now many Kenyans are calling for amendments on some proposed taxes in the 2024 finance bill. The proposed tax on bread and the 2.5% annual tax proposal on motor vehicles, as well as the eco-levy, are some of the concerns that they say, if implemented, will negatively affect many Kenyans. And as Jeff Kirina reports, the executive is set to defend the proposals on Tuesday before the Finance Committee.
So we'll give each a chance of a maximum of 10 minutes.
The public hearings on the finance bill by the Finance and National Planning Committee of the National Assembly came to an end Monday as Kenyans stand up to give their views on the contentious bill. And one thing consistent with most of the speakers is the proposed VAT on bread, which they unequivocally opposed.
Bread is staple food in Kenya, especially for low-income earners. The taxation will raise the cost of living with devastating impact on the economic welfare of the citizens.
Hiyo mkati ambayo unaona, tafadhali, I know it is very sweet, but tafadhali usihakikisha ya kwamba iko tax-free.
The 2.5% proposed motor vehicle tax also raising concerns among Kenyans who want the proposal removed.
It is badly conceived because it becomes a tax on assets, a tax on wealth. Now, when you tax wealth, there is something fundamentally wrong with taxing wealth. What taxes should be, taxes should only be when money changes hands and property changes hands.
This tax will make the cost of transport very expensive and passing it down to us as the population.
The proposal on increasing tax on confectionery, cigarettes and alcoholic drinks for many is a welcomed move. The 2024 finance bill proposes tax on alcoholic drinks based on the strength, with high alcohol content attracting higher taxes.
So that way, it encourages overall lower consumption of alcohol with the obvious attendant public health benefits and the benefits for the national economies.
Some of the side effects that tobacco consumption has brought to our country is health hazards. We've all seen there have been various health hazards such as lung cancers.
The public hearing concluded Monday with a number of proposals from members of the public and various stakeholders. For some, it is an exercise in futility.
We have participated in other public participation, and most of the issues we raised and the proposals we made were never put into use, they were ignored. So I declined to make any proposal because I feel whatever we say will not be put into use.
Take the Finance Bill of 2023 compared to the Finance Act of 2023. They're not the same document. And the difference between the bill and the act were views that came from the public through public participation.
We are for taxation because if our parents sacrifice the blood, let the current generation, Mr. Chairman, pay tax. Let the EU, Parliament, and the other institutions make sure people know what you are doing with the money.
The bill seeks to raise 302 billion shillings worth of additional tax revenue in 2024-2025 financial year.